Hey everybody, welcome tonight. This is Butch Grimes, the Cooking Bachelor. And I get asked all the time, they say, Butch, you're always cooking a dish, but what's your favorite dessert? And of course, I do like healthy stuff and I like fruits. So because of that, tonight I decided to kind of show you something I really, really enjoy. But, there's some nights that I don't always want to cook. And just like tonight, this is one of those nights. And of course, being the late night cooking bachelor, because I do have a crazy schedule and I work late. Tonight I'm just doing something simple. Chicken breast sandwich. Real simple. That's it. Nothing major. But one of the things that I really enjoy, call me nuts, I like to add a little something to it. And I always love adding some Doritos. To my sandwich. There's nothing like having a little Dorito on the sandwich. And just to give it a little extra flavor, we'll take a little salsa and put that over the Dorito. Oh, that's delicious. And of course, look at that. Smash it down. Remember when we were young, we have those good old bologna sandwiches and put it in the skillet and it will form a little bell. Those are the best sandwiches. But this is no different. Little chicken breast, Doritos, and a little salsa. Very good. But, and washing it down with a little lemonade, only lemonade. Okay, so I love to cook and I don't really bake. Baking is a science and I don't bake a lot, but one of my favorite dishes, especially for just for a little dessert, is something I'm going to make for you tonight, and I'm going to show you this real quick. So those of you, the cooking bachelors out there that are looking for something quick, tasty, and healthy, is this. This is one of my favorite little desserts. We're going to take a little cream cheese. We're going to start out with some cream cheese. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see it. Start out with cream cheese, and we're going to put that in a bowl. And we'll put about 2 big tablespoons of cream cheese. Now, we're going to add some jet puffed marshmallow cream. Jet puffed marshmallow cream. I know most folks say, what? What are you going to add? But this makes a wonderful dip. And I'm going to show you a little extra that we're going to add to it. So now we got our cream cheese. Now we're going to take our marshmallow puff. You can see what it looks like. And we're going to put that in. We're going to put another scoop because the marshmallow puff gives it that sweetness. It really gives it that taste. So now we're going to mix it up. Now you can get the regular cream cheese or you can get the whipped. But tonight we're going to use the regular because I like that richness of the regular cream cheese, in addition to the whip. So we're going to mix that up, and it's a little stiff, but we're gonna add a little something to it so it won't be so stiff either. So remember, you got the cream cheese, you got the marshmallow puff, and here you go. We're going to keep smashing that up. So there it is. Now, what we're going to do next is going to give it a little flavor. I don't want to go off camera, but I am going to just step to the side for a moment. And what we're going to do here, for those of you that like that extra hit, just to give it a little extra flavor, we're going to give it a little shot of rum. Not much, just enough to help smoothen things out. Oh yeah, look at that. Look, see how easier it is now? Ooh, smells great. Okay, look at that. Look at that. It's got the consistency that we want. And it's perfect. So, I can do this since I'm the only one eating it. That is wonderful. That is very, very, very good. So you can see we got the consistency that we want. It's nice and fluffy. And next, we're going to bring in our strawberries. I told you it was healthy, and that's why it's going to be even healthier, because we're going to use strawberries. So here we go. So what you do now, especially if you're having a dinner party, you're having some folks over, or if it's you and your date, or just some friends, you can now take and put this in a bowl, and you can dip some strawberries. Ooh, that's delicious. And that goes perfectly with that sandwich that I just made. Wow. The nice thing about this is that, whew, that's good. The nice thing about this is that you can actually use all types of fruits. You can use apples, you can use sliced peaches, but it doesn't matter because it's got such a nice fluffy taste, and it really just sits on it, sits on the strawberry, and just right on the top. Delicious. And then if you want to really get scientific, you can take that balance of that rum that you didn't use. Ooh, now that really made it tasty. And we'll try it again. So, there you have it. That's my favorite little dish. And to give you those ingredients again: Philadelphia cream cheese, wonderful. The whipped is going to help it, but if you decide you want to add a little extra like I did with the rum, and plus then you have to use the jet puff, marshmallow cream. This is right near the marshmallows in the grocery store. Mix those two together. You can add your favorite beverage. You can get some strawberries because it goes great with strawberries. And this is what you're going to end up with. Now another thing is you can add those strawberries, cut them up into small pieces, and you can add it to this mixture. And you can add your favorite beverage. It doesn't have to be rum. You can use tequila. You can use a little vodka. But I tell you, it's nothing like it. So, now that you've seen my favorite dessert, I'm going to go back to my chicken sandwich. I hope that's going to work out for you. Try it out. Trust me, it's quick. You saw how fast I made it. It's delicious. And with the strawberries, apples, maybe a pear, plum, peach, it's healthy too. So this is Butch Grimes, the Cooking Bachelor. Check it out. Trust me, you'll like it.